Hey everyone, welcome back to Childs and Childs. This is Trevor.
And this is Freddie, and today we are doing a tutorial on water slides.
We have recently added pre-printed laser water slides to our site, so we wanted to make a video showing and highlighting how easy it is to use water slides and the correct way to apply them. As you can see on the screen, I'm just kind of scrolling through some of the different options that we have on our website, and we have several different designs available, and we're adding more and more every week, so just keep your eyes peeled for those. We have lots of different options as far as designs and aesthetics go, and we know you're going to love them. Okay guys, so right here I have a sheet of some water slides that I printed out here. I've got some Mardi Gras designs, some custom designs for our cups, and some teaching water slides that we use on one of our designs. So what we're going to do is show you how a clear water slide works versus a white water slide. As you can see here, this is our calla lily design, which is a clear water slide on a white cup. It shows up really nice on a light colored glitter. That's the upside and the downside to a clear water slide, is it works best on light glitters, not darks. If you are working with a dark glitter, you're probably going to need more of a white water slide like this. This is a tiger. It's our actual school tiger for Freddie's school district. And if you have white in the image, like this tiger, you need a white water slide, because there is no such thing as white ink and it won't print on a clear water slide. So where the white spots are on this tiger, it would just be completely see-through. And where the yellow and blue are, you probably wouldn't be able to see it very much. That's why it's so important to use white water slides instead of clears in these situations. Okay, so first up we are going to cut out this little Mardi Gras water slide for Isaiah's Mardi Gras cup. And the cool part about working with clear water slide is you don't have to cut out super duper close to the image. You can leave a little bit of the clear paper on the outside of the image and you'll never see it. Okay, so now that we've got that cut out, the method that I like to use is actually just use a spray bottle full of water, room temperature. So I get my cup really nice and wet, and then I hold the image in my hand, and I just take that spray bottle and I spray the water slide directly into my hand. And you can see there where it starts to roll up immediately. That's what water slides do, so don't be afraid. You can also use a bowl, but I prefer this method because I feel like I get a little bit more control of the image. So it just works better for me that way. And I just continue to spray it until I feel like I've got it really wet. And you can let it sit there for a little while. The longer you let it sit, the better it's going to come off the paper. And then I place it on the cup, get it about where I want it. I just give it a little bit more water, and you kind of start to move it around. You can see that it's detaching from the paper on the bottom. And then you can either use your finger or a tool that you might have to grab that base paper, and then you just pull it right out from underneath the image. And there you have it. That is what a clear water slide looks like on top of the glitter when you first get it on. Now you can move it around a little bit if you want. Make sure you have plenty of water underneath, and that makes it easier to move around and makes it more controllable. And then when you get it where you want, you just squeegee the water out from underneath the water slide. Just be careful when you do this to not stretch the water slide image, or you can mess the ink up on top. And just get it about to where you want it. And then you can call yourself done with that process. So this little clip that I'm going to show you here is just a clear Waterslide sample that we send out with our first orders. If you order with us for the first time, you're going to get one of these for the clear and a white version as well. This is just to show you the example of how you don't have to cut the paper around the image for a clear Waterslide. So you can see I've left a lot of that paper around the image. It's going to completely disappear once we pull the paper out from underneath the Waterslide, and you'll see the difference between it and a white Waterslide, as you'll see in the next part of the video. Okay, and here we have a white Waterslide that I'm going to just put on there without cutting out the image. So you'll see that if you don't cut out the white part of the paper, you're going to see it on the cup. So I'm going ahead and spraying it, and I'm just going to apply it to the cup as it's shown. And then I'll do one where I cut it out, and you can see that as well. Okay, so now that we've got that removed, I'm going to show you the process of how you should cut out the image for a white Waterslide, and you just cut it out and put it on the cup, and you'll see the difference. As you can see, the process is exactly the same as a clear Waterslide. You get your cup wet and you get your image nice and wet. The only difference is you actually need to cut around the areas that you want to show on the cup. If you don't cut out exactly, you're going to see that white all the way around and underneath your image. But other than that, the process is exactly the same. Now here is one of our Calla Lily Waterslides, and these are available in white and clear. This is a clear one, and I'm just going to just show you the process of putting that. I'm going to wrap it all the way around the top of this cup, and I'll just let you guys watch me do that. As you can see, I'm spraying the Waterslide, and I'm going to spray the cup as well, get it nice and wet, and apply it as shown previously. So you guys just sit back and enjoy watching me put this beautiful Waterslide on this cup. And right here you can see that I kind of wrinkled the Waterslide while I was putting it on. If this happens to you, don't panic. The key to saving it is keeping it moist and being very gentle. If you get a hard crease in your Waterslide, you can ruin it by pulling the ink off. But as you can see, I just sprayed it, corrected it, and now I'm squeegeeing it out, and it'll be good to go. And when you're done squeegeeing, you can just wipe it off with a paper towel gently. And we also recommend that you let them cure for up to 24 hours after you've put them on the cup before you epoxy, just to ensure that there's no moisture left underneath the Waterslide. And there you have it. That's it.
Thank you everybody for watching. We greatly appreciate you. And as always,
be sure to like our business Facebook page at Childs and Childs. We also have a really awesome tutorial group. It's Tumbler Tutorials and Masterminds by Childs and Childs. And you can find all of the water slides that we used today on our website at bespoketumblers.com and so much more. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to us on our YouTube. And be sure to ring the bell so that you're notified the next time that we post an upload. As always, I'm Trevor.
And I'm Freddie.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.